How to type any symbol on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Then, tap on the message box at the bottom. If you want to type a degree symbol, then go to the keyboard and tap on the numbers key. And then, long press on the 0 key and select the degree symbol as shown. After that, if you want the bullet point symbol, then long press the hyphen key and select the bullet point symbol. You can now repeat this to find and type in all the symbols that you want. Once you're done, tap on the arrow icon to send the message. Following these steps, you can easily type any symbol on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.